I got the holes drilled for that. We're going to do that later. I just need to get nuts because I'm going to put nuts on the bottom to hold it. These guys space pretty well, so I'm going to use the stock spacers. Just cleaning up, it's leaves and stuff. But then, put my ECU in. Taco ECU. If you know what the Taco ECU is, you know what that port is. That's on data. So, look at this wiring harness. I've never looked in the car harness, but there's these really thick, like 20 gauge wires or whatnot. And normally, this harness plug here isn't connected jumper to this harness, but they're connected. So now I don't want to think about it. Now I have to figure out what the fuck that is. And oh, speaking of which, look at how like these doors. Look at, you could see inside how dirty they are, but there's the door popper. I gotta get that out because I don't want that. And then if you look right there, that's the plate. It's not even welded in, guys. That's puttied. I'm gonna hit that fucker out with a hammer one of these days. It's gonna ruin the paint. But at this point, I don't care. I could get new doors. Who cares? The paint's all jacked up here anyway. Like, it's not like it's... But, yeah. Cleaning up, doing little basic bitch boy shit that who needs to show you, oh, hey, I'm moving stuff around. Got my Tupperware thing. I was going to tap the holes, but then I just was like, oh, yeah, this isn't going to work. So, then I was like, oh, I'll plug in my ECU, and now I have to figure out crackhead wiring, dude. You can tell. This is literally, where the hell does this go kind of wire, because you don't run this gauge of wire anywhere in the engine harness. I don't know where it goes. So now I gotta figure out, I gotta pull this whole harness, this whole harness out through the front, cut the fucking wire loom, figure out where all these plugs go, rewire the whole damn thing. Guys, I didn't even know this was a problem. I've been working on putting the engine in. I haven't had money to do the half shaft yet, so I was just like, okay, well, I'll just start working on the car. I'll start pulling stuff out, put the shifter box in, get that done, all the stuff. And, yeah. Guys, look, it's mounted. Pa-pow, pa-pow. Okay, so yeah, third, fourth. That's a new set of washers. So let me show you. Got all fancy and spent $12. So next time you see Boosted Boy Kyle miss his thing, tell him buy new ones. These things, these washers, these little things make a difference. What I was thinking is I had the, and I didn't compare them. I don't know where I put the original. I had the original ones from when I pulled the linkage. But what I was thinking is that is a item that, pulling on it, that's going to see little wear. That's just little wear. So I was thinking maybe that's why, as the cables get older, so do the washers, and then you got to replace those too. I think it's a underthought of wear item. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to keep organizing. Oh my god, I have so much stuff back. I don't even want to look at it. Cut this guy out. So now, I don't know, I'm probably going to cut this off because I'm just going to let him free fall. So anyway, I'm going to cut this up, guys. I don't have much else to say. I'm just, like I said, a little pissed off about this, but that's what happens when you buy a $400 car and you realize it's slowly turning into a junk. It was a junk. I should have sold it to the junkyard and got a better car. But anyway, I will catch you guys later, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little update. I'm not cutting the car up or anything. I just had to get that out of the way, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, catch you later.